centers O1, O2. Then we are to joining. This is P and this one is Q. Or yes, joining P and Q or and S. This is the required tangents for, that is external tangents for two given circle with having the same length. For this one, same procedure, but only thing is the procedure will be different. Okay, first we have to go for 1 second. Okay, question రాసుకున్నారుగా అమ్మా? Yes, question రాసుకున్నారుగా?
No sir, one minute.
Yes sir, yes.
క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకుంటే నేను పైన చెప్తాను, పైన కనబడుతుంది. ఓకే, draw an exterior common tangents to two unequal circles of radii 30 mm and 40 mm and the distance between the centers is 90 mm. Screenshot తీసుకుంటాను. కంప్లీటెడ్. ఓకే, నేను ఎరేజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా?
Okay sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, right. Here we have given two radius. Okay, R1 is equals to 30 mm. Yes or no? R1 is equals to 30 mm and R2 is equals to 40 mm. అంతేనా? రేడియస్ ఇచ్చింది. R1, R2 unequal radii. R2 is more when compared to first circle, that is 30 mm and 40 mm. The distance between the two centers, that is O1, O2 is equals to 90 mm. O1, O2 is equals to 90 mm. Okay. Yeah, then we have to draw the external tangents or exterior tangents to two given unequal radii. That's distance between the two centers is 90 mm. The distance between the two centers is 90 mm. Okay, first we have to locate the two centers, O1 and O2. O1, O2. Okay, this is the center. Okay, then we are joining these 2 points. Which is a line that is axis. Okay, O1, O2 distance must be equals to 90 mm. O1, O2 is equals to 90 mm. Take R1 radius. Take R1 radius. That is radius must be equals to how much? 30 mm. Okay, radius must be equals to 30 mm. Next, O2 at the center, radius must be equals to 40 mm.
सोनू को फील्ड बंद कर दे।
Okay, this is one circle and this is the another circle. The radius must be equals to, one is 30 mm, another one is 40 mm. Okay, then we have to indicate this radius. R30. Okay, next this radius R40. Next this distance is how much? 90 mm. Yes or no? This distance is 90 mm. Okay, then we have to go for, okay, this is a given data. Then we have to go for draw the external tangent. Then we have to go for O2 center. Okay, ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి. O2 center radius must be equals to R2 minus R1. Radius must be equals to R2 minus R1. Which has a center? O2 as a center. Radius must be equals to, then we have to indicate capital R is equals to R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1, that must be equals to 40 minus 30, that is equals to 10 mm. 10 mm is 1 centimeter as a radius. Take O2 as a center, then we have to draw the, okay. Then we have to go for perpendicular bisector of O1, O2. Perpendicular bisector of O1, O2. Take O1 as a center, more than of radius, draw the two arcs on both sides. Next, O2 center with same radius. Okay, first time చేస్తున్నాను. O1 O2 ని లొకేట్ చేశాను, 2 సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేశాను. ఏది రేడియస్ 30 ఒకటి, నెక్స్ట్ రేడియస్ 40 ఒకటి. దాని తర్వాత ఎక్స్టర్నల్ టాంజెంట్స్ కోసం మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, R2 O2 సెంటర్ తీసుకొని R2 మైనస్ R1 తీసుకుంటే మనకి 10 mm సర్కిల్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వీఆర్ బైసెక్ట్ ది O1 O2. బైసెక్ట్ అనేది దీన్ని మిడ్ పాయింట్ లొకేట్ చేస్తుంది. O1 సెంటర్ more than length తీసుకొని 2 arcs. Next O2 as a center with same radius to intersecting these two arcs. Then we are to joining these two which give the center. That is next O as a center we have to draw the semicircle. Or we have to go for full circle. There is no. We have to draw the. Then we are to joining. If this circle is intersecting the circle at this point, then we are to joining this point to this point. Okay, then we have to assume this is point A. A point is joining with O2. Means the semicircle is intersecting at a circle at one point. That point is A. Then the point A is joining with O2. Then we have to extend it. Okay, this point is called as C. Okay, B point means then we have to go for this to B point. The semicircle is in a circle is intersecting at circle at 2 points A and B, and B O2 point is joining with A and extended up to given circle, that is point C, and O2B also extended up to given circle, that point is E. Okay, E point. Then we have to draw the line parallel to O2C. Draw the line parallel to O2C is passing through O1. That is like this. Okay, this is point is D. And then we have to draw the line parallel to O2E. Then we have to join, this is point is here. Then we have to joining C and D. That is required. ఇక్కడ వచ్చినాను. Okay, E and F and C and D as a required tangent, external tangent. Okay, first we have to go for the same result. Okay, first we have to locate the O1, O2. Next we have to draw the circle's radius 30 mm. O1 as a center for the 30 mm circle. O2 center we have to draw the another circle radius must be equals to 40 mm. Then we have to go for to get the external tangent. O2 as a center, R is equals to R2 minus R1, that is equals to 10 mm. Then we have to draw the circle, 10 mm circle. Okay, next bisecting the O1, O2. Then O as a center, O1, O as a radius, we have to draw the circle. This circle is intersecting the circlet, the smaller circlet A and B. A and B, then we are joining A with O2 and extend it up to bigger circle, that point is C, and joining O2B and extend it up to bigger circle at point E. Then we have to draw the line parallel to O2C passing through O1 to get the point at the circle, O1 circle at D, and O2B or O2E, draw the line parallel to O2E in the O1 passing through O1, the intersection point is F. Then we are to joining C with D and E with F. This is the required external tangent. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Kina?
No, sir.
Okay, understood. Okay, right. Raja and చెప్తున్నా కూడా మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో మీ నోట్బుక్ లో కూడా డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏదైనా? బాబు
సార్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
ఓకే. ఓకే, ఇక మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఫస్ట్ ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన రేడియస్ రాసుకోండి. R1 is equals to, మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, R1 is equals to 30 mm, R2 is equals to 40 mm, and distance between the centers O1 O2 is equals to 90 mm. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నా నేను O1 O2 ని లొకేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. O1 O2 ని లొకేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. లొకేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ O1 సెంటర్ తీసుకొని 30 mm రేడియస్ తోని ఒక సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. 30 mm రేడియస్ తోని ఒక సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. ఏది? O1 సెంటర్, O1 సెంటర్, R1 రేడియస్, డ్రా ది సర్కిల్. నెక్స్ట్ O2 సెంటర్, R2 రేడియస్. O1 center, O2 center, R2 radius. Then we have to draw the another circle with radius must be bigger than the first initial circle. Okay, R2 O2 వచ్చింది. Okay, O1 O2, we have to draw the two circles. We have taken the two centers O1 O2. Okay, next we have to draw to get the external tangents, then we have to take the O2 center, R2 minus R1 as a radius. R2 minus R1 as a radius. Okay, O2 center నుంచి ఈ రేడియస్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 10 mm. ఒక సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేయండి. ఎంత రేడియస్? 10 mm. ఒక సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేశాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఈ సర్కిల్ అయిపోయింది కదా. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? O1 O2 ని బైసెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. O1 O2 ని బైసెక్ట్ చేస్తాను. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? O1 యాజ్ అ సెంటర్, సగం కంటే ఎక్కువ రేడియస్ తీసుకొని 2 ఆర్క్స్ డ్రా చేసి, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ O2 సెంటర్ సేమ్ రేడియస్, దీన్ని ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేసి మనకేమొచ్చింది? ఇక్కడ మిడ్ పాయింట్ వచ్చింది. దట్ ఈస్ O. O as a center, O1 O as a radius, then we have to draw the semicircle. Then the semicircle, circle. Then the intersection point at a circle, this circle which is passing through center O, the point is A and B. Then we are to joining O2 with A. Suppose we are to assume that is P and this is Q. Then O2P and O2Q joining. Then we have to extend the O2Q in the bigger circle, that is radius R2. This is point C, and O2P extended up to R2 radius, that is B. Okay, then we have to draw the line parallel to O2B passing through O1 center, intersecting at the radius circle R1. That point is A. Next, to draw the line parallel to O2C passing through O1 in the downward direction. That point is D. Joining C with D, this is the required tangent, and joining A with B. That's all. Okay, now. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next we have to go for the same problem, then we have to draw the interior tangents. Draw the interior tangents. Okay? Same question. Only thing is, in the exterior tangents in place of interior tangents to give an unequal radii. Okay, same problem, but we'll go for interior tangent. Here R1 is equals to 30 mm, R2 is equals to 40 mm, O1, O2 is equals to 90 mm. Again we have to take the O2 as a center, the radius must be is equals to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, that is 70. Okay, to get the interior tangent in the case of external tangent, we have to go for subtract the radius, outer circle minus inner circle. In the case of interior tangent, then we have to go for addition of the two radius. Addition of the two radius, that is R2 plus R1, or R1 plus R2, that is equal to 70 mm. Then we have to locate the two centers, O1, O2. O1, O2. Then we have to radius, again same procedure, radius R1 and R2. Radius R1, R2. Okay, this distance 90 mm. Okay, then we have to take the O2 as a center. Radius must be equals to R1 plus R2, that is equals to 70 mm. Then we have to draw the another arc with O2 as a center, that is 90 mm, 70 mm as a radius. We have to draw this arc. Draw the arc. Draw the arc with radius must be equals to 70 mm. That is addition of this radius R1 plus R1 plus R2, that is equals to 70 mm. Then we have to go for same procedure, perpendicular bisector of O1, O2. Take O1 as a center, more than of, we have to O1 as a center, draw the two arcs on both sides. O2 center with same radius, two intersecting these two arcs. Joining these 2 points, we have to get the one center, that is O. That is O. O as a center, O1, O as a radius, draw the circle. Draw the circle. Okay, then the circle is intersecting at the bigger circle. We have taken as R1 plus R2. Then this point is joining with. Okay, we have to assume this is P and this is Q. P and Q is intersecting the longer arc which is passing through center, that is O2. Okay, this P is joining with O2 and Q is joining with O2. Okay, P is joining with O2. The intersection point on the R2 circle is A. Next, R, then we have to take as P. Next, joining with O2 with Q. O2 with Q, this point is B. Then we have, this point is C. Then we have to join and draw the line parallel to O2. Hello? Draw the line parallel to O2B. In the case of this one, draw the line parallel to O2B. Then we have to go for upward direction. Then it is reverse order. O2B, draw the line parallel to O2B in the downward direction. Okay, this point is called as P. Draw the line parallel to O2B in the downward direction. Next, draw the line parallel to O2C in the upward direction. That point is in the reverse order. In the previous one, then we have to draw the line parallel to the upward direction. Below one, below direction. In this internal tangents, draw the line parallel to O2B in the downward direction, that is O1A. Then O2C, draw the line parallel to O2C in the upward direction. Then this is the. Then we have to join C with D.
Until a reverse letter आया sir.
Reverse draw the. This is the required internal tangent. Okay, this is CD and AB is a internal tangent.
Sir,
Case of
hello sir.
खराब भी करते हैं मानो
yes. First we have to take the O1, O2. The distance between the O1 and O2 is 90 mm. Then we have to take the O1 as a center. Radius must be equals to 30 mm. Then we have to draw the circle. O2 as a center. Radius must be equal to 40 mm. Then we have to draw the circle. Then we have to take the O2 as a center. Radius must be equal to summation of these two radius. summation of these two radius that must be equal to 70
Making
mm.
a-
Take O2 as the center, then we have to draw the radius must be equals to 70 mm, then we have to draw the arc.
ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ
Then we have to go for O1, O2, perpendicular bisector of O1, O2. Take O1 as the center, more than enough radius. Draw the two arcs on both sides, with O2 as the center, two intersecting with these two arcs with same length. Then we are joining this intersection of these two arcs, which is the center O1 with O1. That is O as the center with radius must be equals to O1. O as the center, O1, O as the radius. That is 40 and 45 mm radius. Okay, then we have to draw the semicircle or circle. This circle is intersecting with long arc which is the location of the center is O2. Then this arc is intersecting with the semicircle